Welcome to Physics Hub. Today I am going to talk about some JRF positions. So Bhabha Atomic Research Center, in short, it's BARC. So BARC has released a notification of taking JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, and the total number of fellowship is around 105. And the last date to apply for this JRF positions is 15th of January 2021. Now let me just tell you more about this JRF positions. So those students who will take admission under this notification will be registered for their PhD under in Homi Bhabha National Institute HBNI, which comes under the University of Department of Atomic Energy. Now let me tell you about the research area. So for physical sciences, the research areas are charged particle accelerator development, nuclear physics using accelerators, neutrino related experiments, astrophysics using gamma ray telescopes, plasma physics, laser based physics, spectroscopy of atoms and molecules, condensed matter physics in low temperature, high pressure and magnetic fields, crystallography, thin films, nanomaterials, optics, physics of sensor and detectors, synchrotrons, radiation and neutron scattering based experiments, computational and theoretical physics. All of these research areas were very demanding. So you can think of applying for this JRF positions. So I would recommend you to apply for this. Now let me just tell you about the age limit. Okay, the next para is age limit. You must be an Indian national and you should have an age less than 28 years on the last date of receipt of application. Age relaxation are there up to 3 years for OBC categories and up to 5 years for SC categories and for up to 10 years for ST categories. Okay, so you can apply depending on the criteria you fulfill. Then let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Okay, eligibility criteria. The number one is candidates should have a good academic record, and you should secure a 60% marks in BSc and at least 55% marks in MSc. Okay, if you get less than this amount of marks, then you will not be eligible for this post. 60% marks in BSc, it is notable. So many of you may have 55% marks or less than 60% marks, then you are not eligible for this post. Okay, and you have to get this MSc qualification, and other than that, you can see for physics subject, MSc or integrated MSc is eligible qualification with the following subjects. So for physics, you see mathematics or numerical method must be one of the subjects in at your MSc level. So I think for every master's program you satisfy this. Like in our university also, mathematics was one of the paper in almost every year. So I think in all universities also they will have a mathematics paper. For chemistry and life science, you can also see. You can also see here. Okay, and other qualification that you need to have valid UGC CSR NET fellowship. You should have any one of them. Either you should have UGC CSR NET fellowship, just score, or this. You should have one, at least one among these. So these are some minimum eligibility criteria. And what about the selection procedure? Firstly, application will be scrutinized and candidates will be shortlisted for interview based on their academic performance and score obtained in qualifying examination. So it's not that if you fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria, you will be called for interview. You will be shortlisted, and if you get shortlisted, then a fit screening will be made based on previous academic records of the application of the applicants. A further shortlisting of candidates will be made based on the performance in the nationwide screening test. Okay. So on this procedure, the selection will be done. Now there are some general selection. You can read it. The notification you will get on our group, Physics of WhatsApp group or Physics of Telegram group. The Physics of Telegram ID is Physics of One. So if you join that, you can get this notification there, and all the upcoming notification you will get there. Okay, we keep on sharing different things. So if you join those groups are completely free. You can join them and you can take uh, help from this group. We're not saying that we'll share everything, but important notification like this will be shared there. And many information are there regarding the government employee, SC, ST, OBC candidates. So you must be producing those certificates to claim your reservation. Okay, and many things are there, you can read it, and I am just telling you the most important things about the application fee. Application fee will be 500 rupees at the time of application, and it will be fully online, no offline mode is accepted. Okay, and how to apply? So we have to apply before 15th of January, and for the detail of this online submission procedure, you have to visit this website, https://recruit.barc.gov.in. Okay, and it should be accepted online only, you can see. And you should be keeping all your documents ready before applying for this post. So you can visit that website just we have mentioned, and you can apply. Traveling allowance. Candidates called for the interview, those will be shortlisted and will be called for interview, will be given a third AC railway fare. Okay, that's not a problem. Medical. The selected candidates are eligible to join the contributory health services scheme of this center as applicable. Now, about the accommodation, limited hostel accommodations are available. So the selected candidates will be provided with subsidized bachelor hostel accommodation for an initial period of 1 year only. Okay, once this is after selection. If you get selected, then what will be the case? The candidates will be assisted to get accommodation on rental basis. You will give some assistance so that you can do it. You will be given HRA also 24% of the fellowship. Now, what about the fellowship rate? The fellowship rate is same as you get by joining in normal institute. So you get 31,000 per month for the 2 years where you act as JRF, and when you are promoted to SRF for the next 3 years, you will get 35,000 per month as SRF, and you are also given a contingency grant of 40,000 per year. So this is a little bit high. Let's talk about Inspire Fellowship. In Inspire Fellowship, you get around 20,000 per year, but here they are giving 40,000. So this is a big advantage, you can say. Okay. So in brief, recipient of application is starting from, it has already started 18th of December, and last date of receipt of application from 15th of January up to 5 p.m. and interview date maybe April or May of 2021. So if you are fulfilling the eligibility criteria, you should apply for this post, because BRC is a good reputed institute and you will get all the research facilities, experimental facilities, so your research work will be of high quality. So I recommend all of you to apply for this, and thank you very much guys for watching this video. If you have any kind of comment, question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for getting such a notification related to job, fellowship and many other things related to physics, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.